Alright,
I'm
I'm
trying
here
to.
with
You got
an
these
UT
ones, right?
inspection
For starting
on
flaw
Flawtech
check.
plate
So
number
we did that for B-sign.
6315.
We didn't
We
do
have
that for
Olympus
A-sign.
Epic
Wouldn't it be
650.
the same?
No.
Right now our gain is at 64.9, the range of 3.5.
So this,
Well, flaw one is
And we have
yeah, so you did it from
just
the
one
top.
gate.
Yeah,
Its width
yeah,
is
right.
1.5 and it's starting at
Or am I- let's see.
1.211.
Yeah, you did it, yeah.
What else we got
So
going
then
on
I need to figure
here?
out the
As long as it's
So
the
you
same
can see
on
we're
A-sign.
on
flaw depth.
pulse echo mode, 100 volts of energy, square pulsar, frequency of 2.25 megahertz, full rectify, no reject, working with a 70-degree wedge. And I got some other trig information in here. Velocity 0.1303 and a zero delay of 9.021. And so we found on this plate we have two defects. One being a lack of fusion, which is going to be at the top of the weld. And then we have a toe crack, that's going to be at the bottom here. And we can start with the, start up top here with the lack of fusion we got going on here. Measure that the way here. You see it's kind of marked with Sharpie, just a general location here, but we'll be able to see it nice and clearly here. I just line up my protractor, shouldn't see anything. We're getting close. It's starting to spike up here just a little bit through the gate there. See there? I'm just gonna spike way up. Way up. See there's about 90%. And I think that's about where it peaks. It should coming down now. We can tell that it's a definitely a laminar defect. It's not spherical. Good way to check that is to skew your transducer a couple degrees, and you should see we'll see significant drop just by eyeballing it. I mean that's maybe 1 degree. We get, I mean, right there. I mean, going from about 90 to drop it like 30%, just with about a degree and a half of skew. So that's typical of a laminar type defect there. And we also have a toe crack here. This is a surface breaking defect.
Pretty sure, yeah, I got.
And is also laminar in nature. It's not quite as, again, quite as good as a signal as I do from lack of fusion, but we can see it behaves the same, but a little bit different. So not that interesting. As you can see on the screen there, we have 2 good peaks through the gate, and I just find that interesting. I think it's a characteristic of like a toe crack where you see this other one. It's really just one big peak up there. Looking like the Eiffel Tower. You see, come back here, this guy, the toe crack, which we are about on now. You see those 2 peaks? Through the gate, they separate. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it's right under the gate. There was 2 signals there. But yeah, one defect about 2.8 inches from the reference with the bottom of the plate, and toe cracks about a 1/2 inch from the reference.